Wishbone makes his move for this evening's first race. It's a grade A run on the 5/16th right here at Victorland. And now he is Wishbone. They're off at the break. It's 1-4, 1-4-2, 1-4-2-3, 7, 8, 5, and 6. First turn. It's 4-1 still. It's 1-4. 1-4 out there looking good. Now down the backstretch, 1-4-3, a 1-4-3 and 8. A 1-4-3-8. Rounds into the final turn. Here they come. Down the home stretch, 1-4 still. 1-4. Here comes the 3 trying to make a move. 1-4, 3-8. Under the wire. 1-4. Coming in fourth to place to show number 3, J.G. Fabio. And fourth, number 8.